27 divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 9. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the ruler. Is equal to 9 plus 9 divided by 9 is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. 27 divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 9. We do the division between 27 and 3 is equal to 9 plus 9 divided by 9. Now we do the division between 9 and 9 is equal to 9 plus 1. Now we do the addition between 9 and 1 is equal to 10. 10 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट।